Alright, this the 84 cutty. Did a little work to it, throw a little paint on them. Not nothing fancy, anything like that. Kind of sticking to the original. The 20-inch heights on it. Still a work in progress, you know. Trying to do what I can. I got it sprayed. Outside looking pretty good. Next move is the interior. It's not that bad for a car that's, you know, 27 years old. I think we can do a little better, personally. Try to keep everything clean. 4x10s in the back. Feel free to leave comments, let me know what you think.